Hi, everyone. Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Just a quick note to say thank you very much for all your attention, your views. We just crossed 8 million views and I think 60K subscribers plus. And our goal was 10 and 100. So we're getting there. We're marching slowly. We don't subscribe to these, get quick schemes that they have on the internet. All of our traffic and everything is organic. We don't purchase ads or do anything like that. We don't allow advertising on the site. So it's all about information. In acoustics, it's more about changing belief systems that are entirely wrong. That's the goal. We spend more time re-educating people on the proper way to do things than, because of all the misinformation out there. Companies, they want to sell products, so they tell half-truths, they exaggerate, use hyperbole and exaggeration. We're not about any of that nonsense. So we're well on our way. If you have topics that you'd like to see covered in a video format, please send them in, info@acousticfields.com, subject line, put video topic, and we'll add it to our list. We're always looking for new ways to communicate, new ideas to communicate with. Most of the video ideas we have on the website are the result of customer questions. So we're always open to input on ideas. So once again, thank you so much for your support and following, and we'll try to keep moving forward. See you on down the road. Thank you.